Knock-on effects, also known as ripple effects or domino effects, refer to the secondary or indirect consequences that arise from an initial action or event. These effects occur when the outcome of one event or decision triggers a chain reaction of subsequent events or impacts, often extending beyond the initial scope or intention. Knock-on effects can occur in various contexts, including economics, social dynamics, and natural systems. In the realm of economics, knock-on effects can be observed in interconnected markets and industries. For example, a change in the price of a key commodity, such as oil or steel, can have cascading effects throughout the supply chain. Increased oil prices can raise transportation costs, impacting the prices of goods and services across various sectors. Similarly, a decrease in steel production can disrupt industries reliant on steel, such as construction and manufacturing, affecting employment, investment, and economic growth. In financial systems, knock-on effects can be seen during periods of market volatility or crises. A major bank or financial institution's failure can trigger a chain reaction, leading to a loss of confidence in the financial sector, a credit freeze, and a decline in economic activity. These knock-on effects can spread globally, affecting other banks, businesses, and individuals. The 2008 global financial crisis exemplified how the collapse of a few key financial institutions had far-reaching consequences for economies worldwide. Social and political spheres are also susceptible to knock-on effects. A significant policy change or political event can create a ripple effect, shaping public opinion, social dynamics, and future decision-making. For instance, a government's decision to enact stricter immigration policies can trigger social unrest, affect labor markets, and impact international relations. The reverberations of such actions can be felt across society, influencing attitudes towards immigration, cultural diversity, and political ideologies. Natural systems are not immune to knock-on effects either. Environmental disruptions, such as deforestation or climate change, can lead to a cascade of ecological consequences. The loss of forests can result in soil erosion, habitat destruction, and changes in rainfall patterns, impacting biodiversity, agricultural productivity, and local communities that depend on forest resources. Climate change-induced events, such as rising sea levels or extreme weather events, can have profound effects on coastal regions, infrastructure, human settlements, and ecosystems. Understanding knock-on effects is crucial for policymakers, businesses, and individuals to anticipate and mitigate potential risks and unintended consequences. Analyzing complex systems and considering interconnectedness helps in making informed decisions and developing strategies that minimize negative impacts. It also highlights the importance of a holistic and long-term perspective when assessing the implications of actions and events. In summary, knock-on effects refer to the indirect and often unforeseen consequences that result from an initial action or event. They can occur in various domains, including economics, social dynamics, and natural systems. Recognizing and understanding these effects is essential for managing risks, making informed decisions, and developing effective strategies in a complex and interconnected world.